Yeah, people, I'm telling some I'm going to make see what I want, you know.
Yeah, so yesterday, so in the previous video, we said we're doing something up here on the land. So
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Another prayer, my people. Blessings. Welcome back to the thing. So we have to keep track of certain things. I'm not going to see what I want. Come.
remember this, guys?
So we're talking about the banana.
Showed this a few days ago.
See what I want, that's up?
Let me zoom in.
This is what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's up there. You call that blessing. Could have never dressing.
So hold on. So this one got to open as well.
Yeah, man. A few more coming on the front.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up there already.
8.
Yeah. So 2 more supposed to push out.
You said about 10 hand, didn't you?
Yeah, but that's about 10.
Yeah. Remember you said about 10 hand?
Yeah, man. I'm telling you it's about 10, man. It's about 8 up there already.
Yeah.
We're going to see what I want.
Yeah, look
That's
at
started
guys.
up here.
Looking forward to this. Looking forward to yeah.
Yeah, that's what we call manners and prayers.
Manners and prayers banana.
Yes, long life, happy living. We need to see more.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, I'm telling you I'm going to make see what I want, you know.
Yeah, so yesterday, so in the previous video, we said we're doing something up here on the land. So let me just remind you, you can see this guys already, right? So this is the land. What do you say? Probably over 1/4 acre, right?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
We're not 1/4 acre. We're taking a little piece of it.
We're
Right
taking
now.
a small piece.
Yes, and do something.
Yeah.
Right, that's all.
Right here.
Right, that's all. We're going to put one pig pen over there. Yeah. We're going to do a pig pen now. Right, that's all. Right now, like a spot on the piece. Like a pig pen, right, that's all. That one there. Like that. You ever get that right away, man. Don't worry about that. So we're going to look more with it. So it's a for a pop back. What do you think about that?
I don't want to dig out it for like so, you know.
Because now, that means you have to put in the packing.
That means,
This pack already, like 6 stone on it there.
yeah, dig out it.
So yes guys, as Outlaw said, we are building a pig pen. Yeah. Well, I won't be building anything because, you know, I don't know the first thing. But we are expanding. Do you remember I was saying this year is a year of expansion? So Outlaw and I have decided to, you know, expand and go into another part of business, which is raising pigs. So we're going to build a pig pen. Yeah, and I know that this is something that Outlaw has wanted to do for the longest time. He's been speaking about this for a good few years now. So yeah, it's nice to see that his kind of you know, ambitions and things that he wants to accomplish coming to pass. So this has been a while in the making, to be fair, but I'm just so grateful that at this point it's something that we can work on. So I know to some people it's probably not a big thing, but to us, especially where we're coming from, this is big for us, you know, and we look forward to seeing where it goes. And yeah, like I said, guys, we don't even eat pork, but we can still raise pigs, right? Yeah, and sell them. So we're starting from the beginning. So today is all about laying the foundation. So yeah, we have to go and pick up we have to line out first, and then get ready to lay the foundation. We're going to go and pick up all the materials: the sand, the stone, the cement, the steel, the 2x4, the nails, the everything. Yeah, so that's where it's at, people. We are building a pig pen. I wonder how many of you guessed it right when we said, can you guess what we're doing? I did say we wasn't building it's not a house. Yeah. But we're building a pig pen. Yeah. So exciting, guys, exciting.
We talked 2 hours ago. These are just telling us something about something a while ago. So we are continuing the thing. Right, so we have put everything in people.
Yeah.
Pig pen.
Yeah.
As we these are say, we don't do meat. But a business there,
Yeah.
shot like bullets.
Yes, guys. So all the trees will stay. We'd have to cut down any trees or anything like that.
Yeah, come on, just some of them.
Some of the branches may have to
some
go.
of them.
Yeah.
Keep the place cool same way, you know.
So where's it going to be? Right here?
What?
The pen?
Right there.
Right here.
Both of them,
Right here. And then we're going to be expanding. After we get to the pigs, we're going to be raising goats. We're going to be doing some goats as well. And the goats are going to go where? Right over here. So the goat pen is going to go right over here. Nice and cool over here. Cool shade. Look.
Yeah.
The goat pen's going to go here. So pig pen over there where the pit is. So tell me about this pit or this something now. That's going to be used as what? The pit?
Yeah, for on the waste out of the pig pen. When you wash out the pig pen, you go down and that.
So when you wash out the pig pen, everything goes in here?
Everything go right on
Yeah.
that. So nobody smell anything.
Yeah, so Outlaw he's determined that it's not going to be a smelly pig pen.
No, pig pen wash out every morning.
Yeah.
Every day. Go down and that.
And it goes into this?
Cover up on everything. Nobody smell nothing.
Okay.
Good. Yes, we're not disturb nobody everything.
Yeah.
Yes. We have to do with respect.
Yes.
Respect other people.
Of course.
Yeah.
So the goats will be go over here, right?
Yes.
The goat pen.
Goat pen will come right down that's the man.
Okay.
Yeah. Right down so we can set up.
Okay.
So right now the land I go way back to the line, way back out and go down to the fence and come back.
Yeah.
You can put goat anywhere about
yeah.
the place. Make a goat pen.
It's a decent size, guys. Like I said, it's about over quarter acre, definitely.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
More than quarter acre this.
So yes, that's the plan. We're gonna keep you updated. Yeah. And show you what we're doing today.
Yeah, man.
So the first step is to line it out. That's what I'm saying. First step to line it out. Then to build a foundation.
Good.
Yeah.
The first line out.
And go pick up the materials and stuff.
And then get back to the point.
Yeah.
Yes. When the material is no problem. Especially if you want stone, see? Crazy stone over the place.
Yeah.
And
Stones
it's a
are
real
here.
firm stone.
Yeah.
Yes. Full of
so you can already use what's on the land already.
Yes. Use about the same stone.
Use same stones, yeah, which is good. Yeah. All right, people. And guys, look, right across here. So this is the land right there. Can you see that building right there? What is that?
Slaughterhouse.
The slaughterhouse.
Yeah, that's where they do it. They kill
So
all the animals.
everything is close by.
Every Friday.
Yeah.
Animal kill.
So the pigs will be raised here. The slaughterhouse is over there. Yeah. And the best thing about it is that your brother is well experienced in these things.
Yeah, man, I feel things like
That's his
my
thing.
butcher too. So
He's a butcher.
Yeah, long time from your little youth, we look grow big.
Yeah.
So
we keep it in the family.
Yeah. From your little youth, we look after pig, goat and cow.
Yeah.
From your little youth, going to school, if you come back and do that, we talk about that something.
You did.
Yeah, that's real thing.
Yeah.
So we know the thing, man. That's come, we know the thing.
Eat the ones. Yeah. It's happening nice, it's when it's one like shady.
Yeah, man. That's the message, I make it a shady.
Yeah, we're not killing shady them either.
Yeah, wait. 12 o'clock, go back so everything cool.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're not killing shady.
Yeah, let me that up there.
You see the liquor, man.
Ten. This is yeah. Come on, Chrissy. Come on, out your foot there, really foot there. Yeah. Go on, come out, come out here. Yeah, about that, sir. Yeah, man. About that. Yeah. 10 crosses, right? I go for 15.
Take more 15.
You want to get more than that?
Men at work. Guys, I just stand up and look and observe.
15 left?
Yeah. The range, you know. And it takes you on to life. You got this first, man. Why not?
Yeah, we're not can't small, man. Because you know, people line up with things. So we are doing 10 by 15 now for the starting off.
So how much? That's 2 pence.
Cut it now to make 2.
And then add them when you're ready.
And add on them ready.
Yeah.
So right now we can put 2 more than on one side and some liquor on the next side. For time being.
Okay.
But if you expansion, we can expand.
Yeah.
So we don't start to big it because so we say one cocoa full of basket.
Yeah.
I just record.
Okay.
Yes. So you know what you do? We have to just do what we have to do. We're not clown on this. Man.
spin. Take it back here.
Over there. Put it back on. Put it back on.
You use the scare.
Yeah.
Then you use the scare. Scare never go here now.
Yeah.
Right, so it's lined off now, people.
You box up it. Use the square and box up it.
Yeah.
And it's a foundation now. Look here now too. And I reason.
Get that.
Yeah. See the breadfruit tree there? The breadfruit tree over the hog pen.
Over the hog pen.
The market can't hungry. Never hungry around here. See that's something in pear tree. People know so call it avocado. Eat that thing that they do. The market can't hungry when you think you're ready, man. No, say don't put on a pot on fire. This is a lone hop full of hog belly, man. Tell you about that stuff here. Yeah, the right place to think there.
And breadfruit.
Yes, man, everything around it. Good like that. Yes, man. We're up on a good move, man.
So it's lined out now. Tell the
Yes.
people what's what now.
Yes, we.
It's lined out as you can see.
The lineup I know.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll do one thing and bust it now two down the line.
Yeah.
So we're gonna dig out excavation next. Right round. We dig out that. Put concrete in that. To a level where we want it. Then we start box it up. Pour concrete in the box right round. 4 inches thick. Like a new house when I make nowadays.
Yeah.
The same way. Yeah, and come up to a height and everything there.
Okay.
Stage by stage.
Stage by stage.
Yeah, so we have every stage we move, we make know what about. We know everything go. Around the way I swing go. Them tree right there.
Yeah.
See them right in front there. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Plenty of lumber them there.
Oh.
Bitter wood and cedar.
Bitterwood and cedar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plenty of lumber them there.
That's what they used to make with like, like furniture and stuff.
Furniture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Man. Cedar right there. And now I jump into that right there. Young as the seed right there.
Yeah.
There's one next 2 years front to that tree there. Yeah. Big stuff me I tell you about. So we have one good thing on the land. So we have to take time with it.
Yeah.
And go to. We have coconut that come there. And all these things. The place fruitful now.
Yeah.
Yeah, fruitful. Anything you plan to say come. Virgin there. Not never the panic to spoil it inside. No.
So yes guys, we've just left.
Yeah.
So yeah, you've seen what we've got planned and what's going on. Like we said, we're going to start small and then, you know, build on to the pen.
No matter what's there, we was talking about the whole situation and the whole thing and Mama saying to everything.
Yeah, so what's the next move now? So tomorrow it's going to be...
So tomorrow now, my brother got to dig out the excavation.
Yeah.
You know that's something that's that, foundation.
Yeah. We won't be there because we're working tomorrow.
That's something to do. But the following day, everything we have time can come up.
Can come back up.
Yes. You know, one phone call can change everything, but
that's true.
we think we have time. So when we come back up next now, we will get some board to box it up.
Yeah.
Instead of using blocks, I want to use board and cast it up with some stones, real firm stones and all these things, from foundation and cast up the side and everything.
And the stones are already on the land as you guys would have seen.
Yes. So we are working for an efficiency thing.
Yeah, efficiency,
Yeah, very efficient.
Yeah, and using what you have already, right?
Yes, and all these things. So, show me the way it can work.
Yeah.
I know we are going to attack it. As I'm telling you to be okay now with me, so we know see everything what we are doing, man.
Yeah, sorry about the glare, guys, the sun.
The sunlight and everything, we can't get it from that.
But yes, guys, so that's our plan. Well, that's what we're putting into motion now, should I say. It was a plan, now coming to, you know, fruition, so to speak. And yeah. So I think we'll keep you updated and we'll, you know, we'll vlog and we'll show you when we're going to get the materials and how much the materials cost, and we'll show you the working and you know that.
Every people, we know everything going on. We are not going to see everything we are going.
Yeah.
Every move we make, we're not going to see what we are going because something has to start from foundation.
Yes.
So we have to do everything from start. And you know everything, we have to keep in touch with what we are going.
Of course.
So we don't drop nothing.
Yeah. So that's just a little bit, isn't it? Just a little bit
small
of
piece of the thing.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that, and hope you guys are looking forward to the journey with us. We're looking forward to bringing you along with the journey with us. So yeah, that's that, guys. So I think we're going to end out the vlog here.
Yeah, the best thing about it, Mama was there, you know?
Yes.
The foundation and everything.
Yes.
Yeah. So just give thanks to life. We're not done present, people.
Yes, guys. You know what to do already. Like, subscribe. Yeah.
What are the copies of the ads?
What's your piece of the ads?
Please don't drop it. Don't follow them and try to swap it.
There we go.
Manners.
Alright, people. Till next time. That's it.
Manners and prayers.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. house. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.